What up, YouTube? We about to do a reaction video to One Guy, One Screwdriver.
And I'm not gonna be present. You're gonna see my face.
I guess she doesn't want to do it.
That's right there.
But
it's bleeding.
I guess. Hold on. It's not the beginning. That's not the beginning.
It don't have to be the beginning. We already seen it again.
Stop this shit.
I wish I could see my face right now. That is.
You are demons. I think the only thing you'll taste today is your own blood.
I'm drooling. There's blood in the bathtub.
In the sink. I gotta sit there.
What the?
I ain't never ran so fast in my life. That is disgusting.
That's the nastiest shit. One guy, one cup ain't got that on that.
Well, you put a screwdriver, big part in.
You put the biggest part of the screwdriver in your penis.
Oh.
The blood was scarred. Okay, fuck it. What the? I'm still at the candy and Skittles. What the? What the?
Send it to him on MySpace. Send it to him.
What the fuck?
I need a hug. I need a hug.
You need a hug. You need a hug. You shaking and you hot? Girl, she over shaking like she got the flu. She's fucked up. I was drooling. I was literally drooling. I have never, in my days of living, seen anything like that. That is fucking horrid. Very fucking horrid. Never. Never ever will I ever watch that shit again. Ever. You are a nasty motherfucker. You are nasty.
Oh, my leg. I can't even see my legs.
Ain't no way in hell you love yourself if you gonna shove a penis. I mean, shove a screwdriver. You got me all confused. Shove a screwdriver up your penis. Who would just do that? Who? That's just like a female trying to stick a whole car up her shit. I mean, you know what? This is SouthernOkieTV, and we signing off.
Come on, Mom. Come on, Mom. Come get me.